This thing is really nice looking. If you're like me, you have a ton of stuff that you need to maintain your pool area, right? You got cushions, you got your cool pool vacuum robot, you got towels, floaty toys, all that kind of stuff. And you don't want it spread out all over, otherwise your wife's going to be on your case. So the best way to store it outside, keep it dry and safe, not getting bleached out in the crazy sun. This deck box is 150 gallons from East Oak, and it is absolutely really cool. Let me real quick show you how I assembled it and give you a pro tip. While you're watching me put this together, I want to tell you it is so easy. Over the years, I think I've assembled 20 of these things, and they definitely keep getting better. This one is easily the best one I've put together so far. Let's do that pro tip. All right, so now this is together. You're looking at me, 6'2", 220 pounds. Sitting on it, not moving at all. I mean, this thing is sturdy. Let me show you some of the details. Let's start with the basic concept that this thing is really nice looking. Let me show you how to easily do this. So the furthest one from the edge, one there, you can kind of balance it, get it started, stick it in. Same here. Just put it in loosely. Don't do it tight. It'll look something like this. Take this, gently lift it. Look at that. Perfectly in spot, under control for you to tighten down all of the appropriate screws. You got to put all these, and these. But if you want to do it by yourself, don't think I forgot a piece there. I'm going to explain it to you in a minute. This is really nice looking. It has handles on the side here in case you need to move it around. Let me show you. It comes with a lock here. You know what I use that lock? I don't think it's going to stop anybody from stealing stuff, but it will stop the critters from getting in. This is what it looks like on the inside. Pretty cavernous, right? So the reason I didn't just slides in, just clips in there, super easy. You can put it in, take it out, whatever you want. I'm going to be putting some larger cushions in there. So I wanted the full space there to put in there. But this is crazy cool. Like I said, I've had a couple of these from East Oak before. Their hardware is great. This doesn't rust. The steel supports definitely make a big difference. The floor, in case it should get wet, like let's say you kids put away wet stuff, you can easily pull those out and drain it if you need to. You cannot go wrong with this. If you want to get this, there's actually going to be a link right here on the screen. You could just click that and get it. If it's not there, go down into the description. There's a link there. It helps out the channel. We make a couple bucks. Doesn't cost you anything extra, and we really appreciate the support. Remember to like, follow while you're down there, and put a comment. Any questions you have about this, assembling it, my pro tip, or anything, put that in the comments. We want to hear from you. You cannot possibly go wrong with this. This is absolutely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.